So let's take a look at this here. So these are two atomic bombs. Here's the one from the bikini bomb test. I think they both are actually. Notice on this one they have the 3, which can't remember what the atomic element for that is. Hang on. 3 is lithium, which is I believe it's a salt, but it also has to do with power. It's a lot of it over in Afghanistan. I don't know if that's the reason they went in there, but whatever. It has to do with energy. So here's 3. This other one here, we can see it's 33, and that, interestingly enough, is arsenic. If you take the W and you want to put that as a 3, that would be 3, 3, and 3, which would be I can't remember. You have to look that up yourselves. Interesting that they make sure that this is marked on these things. Then I was just poking around CERN. It says, hello from CERN. Our VP, Noah, is currently at Atlas this week meeting in Geneva. We will be reporting daily. Now, this is interesting because in Nostradamus, what was it? The 9th, or the, what was it? Yeah, it was the 9th quatrain, 44th verse. He says, when Saturn changes from gold to lead, everyone flee, flee, flee from Geneva. We know Noah is Saturn. We know that. I don't ever think there was a dude by the name of Noah. Saturn is Noah. I've showed you guys that before. Okay? So let's just jump down here. This is the name of the inside of the atomic bomb, was called the Demon Core. And it's interesting that the name of the guy who helped stop it from going ballistic, or because somebody knocked it off the table or some shit, his name, Jack Revel. Jack is another name for Saturn, because he's the Jack in the box. He's the Joker and the Jester. A Revel is like a rebel. And here, as per my weirdo dream I had, Tinian. Remember? So there's that. Okay? Now let's look over here. We have the Demon Core. That was the very center of the first atomic bomb. That's what it says. Yet Michael the Archangel, while contending with the devil, he disputed the body of Moses. Do not bring him against the railing, blah, blah, blah. The Lord rebuke thee. But these speak evil of those which they know not. But what they know naturally as brute beasts, in those things they corrupt themselves. Woe unto them, for they have gone into the way of Cain, and ran greedily after the heir of balsam for reward, and perished in the gangway of core, which is interesting, because we take this word core over here, which in reference to over here is the demon core, right? And that is biblical word is really Korah, which is interestingly close to the Koran. But let's see what it means. Korah or Korak. Standard Korak, Tiberan, Quran. You see it? Baldness and ice. Hail and frost. And what's down at the South Pole? Ice. So what have they been doing down there? So these guys are, according to this, if you read into it, these guys are stuck under ice. And they've been down there trying to get these, in my opinion, they've been trying to get these fuckers out for years. Or, we don't know what demons are. We don't know what angels are. Biblically, it says that they fight with powers and principalities. Well, powers, you're talking mathematics. You're talking energy forces, positive and negative, magnetics, north and south. So we don't know if these are energy-looking beings, or if they look like humans, or what. But whatever it is, it's stuck down there underneath that ice. And that's what they're doing in Operation Ice Cube. Absolutely. And this Noah here, pretty sure is the same Noah that is tied to the Noah Posner. You know, that name bothers me, Posner, because it's a shortened abbreviation for like positive oscillation. I'm just winging this. Positive oscillation, supernova. Let's see, the electromagnetic radiation, something like that. It isn't. It was something happened to them kids. Something happened to them kids. But it's a couple of stories being played out here. So make of it what you will. Doesn't mean I'm right. Doesn't even mean I'm close. I'm just saying, just look at it.